to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings. Successful Tradings.
Hello, welcome to Successful Tradings, where you will learn to trade options as a beginner. Bonjour, bienvenue sur Successful Tradings.
Welcome to successfultradings.com for yet another episode of the daily market recap for September 28, 2020. So in this video, we are going to take a look at the high level situation of the market through SPY and QQQ. We then will scrutinize what worked for us today, what didn't work for us today, and what to look for Tuesday and the rest of the week. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and get started. All right, so on the screen we have something that we're gonna get to in a moment. So before that, let's go ahead and take a look at SPY and QQQ to get situated here for the overall market on this daily market review for Monday. So we left on Friday, we're closing bullishly after two days of higher highs on the daily chart of SPY. This is the daily chart of SPY. Just shy of the EMA 8 at 329.33, but Lord behold, this morning we gapped up big time. I mean, big time is 5 points, folks. So didn't quite scrutinize how much those options they paid, but if you had them, and this is a strategy we've talked about, right? Strangling 3-4 points away, you would have definitely started in the money this morning, because we closed at 328.73 and we opened at 333. So yeah, that's a good 5 points on there above that you could have definitely scored. Now, this is interesting where we closed today, just above the exponential moving average 20 for SPY on the daily chart. So it's a no man's land because the gap wasn't fully filled today, folks. If you notice, right? This tiny candle here was sideways. Let me show you actually something on SPY. So I'm going to show you the 15 minutes and then I'm going to tell you what didn't work out for us today. So this is what you have to trade today. SPY. Good luck, my friend. Yeah. Very, very difficult to make money on it. Even to the extent where, let's say, if we go to a lower granularity, toward the end of the day, there was a possibility to make money actually, let's say on the puts. Let's say we were using the 334 puts. They went from 26 to 66, but you needed patience, my friend. Why? Look at this. Let me show you the 1 minute chart of SPY just to give you an idea of how nasty this is, how difficult it is. Some people use 1 minute charts out there. I don't know how you do it, folks. This is the 1 minute chart of SPY. Yeah. You tell me. Yeah, I mean, definitely if you're fast in 3 minutes time, this is your 3 minute window to make money on those 334 outputs. Yeah, I raise my case. So yeah, in any case, this is a pattern we have noticing lately. When this market goes up, it's pretty much gapping its way higher. We have seen that. Look at this here. You saw multitude of, let's look back in July. Let's go. We went from, and it's always when it's coming from the lower Bollinger, the lower Bollinger, below the moving averages. So something similar here. They're sneakingly doing that. So they just gap it up for day traders or whatever. There's not much that you can do because the movement here today was like 2 points. And my friend, 2 points. You had to be lucky to get them. I just showed you the 1 minute, right? So I'm looking for something similar as this, because this market, at least on the current trend. But does that mean that, my friend, all of this for all for none? Not so fast, my friend. Remember this. We've talked about this. We were actually expecting this, where we can put together a week or 4 days of higher highs going above the moving average of the likes. That did not prevent us from plunging afterwards. So as of now, our October 20th, yeah, the third week of February, I think, of October, those put, they are not looking that chill. They took a bit down today. But my friend, that could have been an opportunity actually to add more. But we may have that opportunity later in the week. So we definitely will be looking at, and then we can always move them out to November. So as of now, they are not working, but just beware for us, we are definitely mindful. So what to look for? I mean, another gap up tomorrow. That's what they have been doing today. The quant analysis here is definitely calling for 2 points gap up tomorrow or anything. So what's the range? So 336, 337 thereabouts. That's what they have been doing, folks. We don't fight the market. We go with whatever they want you to do. But we are vigilant into that. Same thing on QQQ very quickly in here. QQQ actually, in this case, it closed above the exponential moving average 20. So it got stopped exactly. that spike at the last minute. Let's show again the spike. I mean, I don't think we did a good job showing that. Let me show the spike, the last minute spike on spike. Where was this? What's this all about? What was this all about? And then QQ out of nowhere, 277. I was just like, really? I'm saying, okay, that's what we do. I mean, QQ, at least you can see it coming. So they came down in the last 10 minutes a little bit, 276, but it was strong from here, right? After this 4 minutes of madness, I was like, okay, let's go back. Okay, 277 high of the day. So it's interesting. Another gap tomorrow. That's what they have been doing on Tuesday. So the gap should take us, let's say, what's the highest level of all of this nonsense here? The highest level here is 282. At 282, you could be looking at it saying, oh, that's far, my friend. That's nothing. I mean, they gap 3 points. Oh, that's 1% or whatever. And then they give another 1% if they so inclined during the trading session. And that's it. So this is going to be interesting. Are we going to have a very quick crossover again? My friend, that one didn't last that much. September 10 to, let's say, by September 30th, we are crossing on the other direction again. And so watch out. We haven't seen that much on the daily, to be honest with you. To be honest, we haven't seen that because typically after the crossing, the trend tends to stay for a bit. In this case, it could be a short-lived one and then they're going. I am not eager yet to call that. Yeah, I'm not eager yet to call that because something definitely off in this market. All right, so that's what in store there. Oh yeah, what didn't work out today for us? What didn't work out for us? Yeah, trying to make money, my friend, out of this nonsense. We tried, but yeah, we had to cut. It was small risk because we're trading the daily, my friend. We're trading SPY on expiration. That's what we do. We could be aggressive on the 334 puts. Yes, they worked out a little bit, but we're expecting something substantial. It was not to be. So we live to fight another day. Yeah, we live to fight another day with the encouragement of which that worked great for us. Actually, we didn't take that many trades. We only take 2 trades today. Oh yeah, 2 SPY and this other one coming here. This other one coming, my friend, is we gave it to you in the pre-market analysis. If you were with us, we hope that you benefited. So the charts that we are looking at, actually let me do a bit. Let's show you the chart that we're looking at. This is the chart that we're looking at. So this morning in pre-market, this stock was trading. That's what's the name of the stock, Telex? You call it SPCE. It's not SPCE. It's Virgin Galactic Holdings. Yeah, the ticker is SPCE. It's recently added stock in our watch list. So for us, so we think it's gonna be our new friend. We have many friends and foes as well in terms of stock. No, this is just a joke. But I mean, when a stock gap up like this, we are all over it in pre-market. There was volume. So on this channel, we gave you the 22.5 puts, and we gave you the 22.5 calls and the 16 puts for us. The strange thing though, let me show you what something strange happened to me. I didn't get feedback from other traders if in in our Discord, if they were able to get in, because we do sweep Gunster. If you don't know what that is, come for the Gunster trade, my friend. Come for the Gunster trade and stay for the gains. As you can see, I was quite active with it. But this is what I want to highlight, right? So I get this fail, buy to open, 22.5 calls at 5 cents. Yeah, I'm not able to see that on here. And actually, that was funny because I usually trade. They must have been having a problem because I had to, because I looked at it at some point. I think really the first 5 minutes, the bid was like 1 cent. The ask was 4 cents. Yet my order wasn't doing anything. I kid you not. And on my phone, because I wasn't in front of the screen, on my phone, I was looking at, okay, should I get it? Would I gonna get a feel? And eventually I had to close this and then relog in. But here now, this is a chart of that option, right? Look at the lowest price that they're showing me, 11 cents. I'm reading the low, close, high over here, 11 cents. There was some volume, so I'm hoping that some of this volume was some of you taking the gangster trade, right? Because the trade worked out great, 11 cents. So 11 cents, if you held that, that's 400%. In my case, 5 cents. So what do you think that I do? I've been telling you that I bought more, folks. Yeah, I bought more. Even toward the end of the day, I was adding onto that. So let's see how this trade works out today. I want to share something with you, something that I made. Yeah, but it's better on the other screen. Select. I got it from Finways, and I posted it on the Twitter. You see this inflection point we have been talking about? We have been sharing that with you, right? See this one on here? So if this thing is confirming, this is a bullish move here, bold bullish move above the simple moving average 50. That's what the blue line is. So for me, I just drew this nicely to put a picture on Twitter. This is the potential for this week. And the entire day, I kept posting on our Discord about, hey, there is still time to get involved. I'm hoping I hope people took advantage of that, so that tomorrow, should this thing continue its momentum, we will definitely be able. Yeah. So this was this early at 1963 at the time, posting new high of the day above VWAP. That's our setup, folks. That's what we teach here at Successful Trading. Yeah, this is the at some point the daily chart when it was about to cross 20. So this trade as of now has some potential. We just hope that overnight it generated some gigantic gain, because it was this contract was trading at 3 cents the previous day. So and then it opened today at 35. That's a 10 bagger if you had and yeah, overnight this is what happened. So for us, we got at 5, some at 5 cents, and then we added a bunch throughout the day. So let me share where the chart, the overall chart, so that you can go there and get it. This is we have been talking about this, right? Let's move this mug here. So for once, I have the ATR. This is the ATR 50. It's $1.4048. I mean, if I go and change it to over the last 14 days, does it matter? Let's go ahead. This is something that we do here. So update. $1.31, but still the inflection points, folks. Yeah. And for me, I want to bring the attention that when we have had inflection points this year, pretty much the last few times that this thing was bullish, because it hasn't been the rest of the time when it's bullish, it's bullish, right? So above 20, we have had this occurrence. So 25, we have had above 20, another occurrence. I'm looking for it to have one bad day this week. Other than that, the rest of the days, the 4 days remaining, are going to be green candles. And if that's the case, my friend, 25 is a short term. Oh, the reason for this bullish move, if you are asking, I didn't know first. I just saw it in pre-market and said, let's get involved. that's what we do. It's what's their name? The people at Bank of America decided that they initiated coverage and a target price of 35. Obviously, as you can see, dating back to November of last year, there hasn't been such a bullish target price on it. So hence, everybody discovering that this is something that can fly to the moon. I don't know. I'm just joking. That. And then you have the feed here from Stock Tweets as usual. Somebody, I will be back tomorrow to laugh at you. Bearish. This will reach 50 by the end of October. I have the inside scoop. Trust me. Really, this is what Stock Tweets is about. Okay, so we passed on that. So sound analysis here. I mean, if you can use this trend line. Above that, obviously, it's going places. But that 25, I really like it. I wanted to use in the morning. If you watch the video, please do watch the pre-market video. There were only like, how many people? 13 people? Yes. Well, I'm so glad. Well, I'm glad. I will be glad with more people being able to do that. But we know that there's a playback, right? So if people caught that show in the playback. So quickly on here, quickly. Let's move on to take a look at the after hours on this, maybe. So after hours, this thing was moving after hours, folks. $21. That's not bad at all. So in relation to or let's say the delta, you know, our little cheat sheet, right, on the delta, a $1 move at 26 cents to that. So let's see tomorrow where it goes. Again, after hours, another indication of what could happen. We have seen other things. So trust me, I will not be too eager to celebrate. But it's definitely, the setup is very interesting. And there's still, if you're watching this video now and wondering, it is still actionable. I guarantee you that there are 4 days left before which we use the weekly as usual. But there's still ways to get involved. Absolutely. We kept repeating that the entire day. So that's what's worked today. So we look at what didn't work. We look at SPY on this for this daily market recap for September 28th. Very quickly, let's take a look at what to look for tomorrow. Oh, obviously, this one's gonna be a big looker for the rest of the week. But I want to take a look at a stock that just has been Caterpillar. I mean, we talked about it yesterday. So yeah, something bound to happen on here. So support at 144, yeah, 147 gap like everybody today, but it couldn't. So watch out for the rest of the week. Yeah, Caterpillar is definitely a stock to be reckoned with. One that I don't think I've traded this one, but for whatever reason, it kept coming to my mind. Oops. Comcast. How do you, so the next time would that be CMCSA? CMCSA. That's easy for you, Tex. Comcast. Yeah. Okay. Comcast 46. I mean, yeah, has to show something. Something is happening with this one. I think obviously it's about to attack the upper Bollinger. There is no room on the daily. How about the weekly? I haven't traded it that much, to be honest with you. So is this a bullish run to 50? Because this has been bullish all the way, or is it time to retreat? Let's see here. What type of option do they offer? CMCSA. Other options. 49 calls, 2 cents bid, 6 cents ask. You know I love those. You know I love those. So I need to get involved. I need to get involved. You know what that means. Very quickly. One that we really like a lot here. I mean, you guys know everything we like now if you're watching our show. But it has been just not doing much lately. Yeah, this little fellow. Not doing much, just, yeah, okay, at support, bounce off of support, okay, fine. On the daily, has plenty of room, doesn't it? So, let's see. Definitely want to get involved. So, yeah, today we were, oh my God, we were so well behaved today into not getting involved onto the Monday one. I'm so glad. Last one for the road. Last one for the road. And this one, the chart should be very interesting. Here we go. Consolidation, forever consolidation. I mean, trust me, I lost money here. I can guarantee you that because at some point I lost money here. But I think it's time for me to get my money back. It's not a revenge trade. It's not a revenge trade. I just said it. That's easy for you to say. I'm trying to find a box. Can I get a box? Oh boy. Sorry about that. This is embarrassing. I cannot get a box. Okay, Telex. What? Where is my box? Here we go. Yeah. Okay. So I'm talking about this nonsense. Yeah. Since earnings, remember these earnings, what happened, right? It dropped 17% on the same day. The competitor AMD actually went up 17%. Okay. Maybe, just maybe, they're overhead because, and look, oh my goodness, I wish I've picked up this earlier, let's say on Friday. But definitely, time to get involved because either we're going to come back and then slam it back to 47 or whatever, or my friend, it's time to that. I am leaning toward the up movement. So yes, Intel, time to get involved. All right, folks. I think that does it, and we are under 20 minutes. Not bad for the daily market recap. So if this is your first time to catch the show, please do subscribe. Such that you are notified the next time that we post a training on a concept that can benefit you and help you to take your trading to the next level. Until then, we bid you adieu. Have a great evening, have a great afternoon, have a great morning, wherever you're watching from. Bye-bye. Welcome to successfultradings.com for yet another episode.